The national lawn bowling team is confident to bounce back from a disappointing sectional stage exit during 2022 Birmingham Commonwealth Games as they step up preparations ahead of this year's Glasgow showpiece, scheduled to run from the 23rd of July to August 5th. Kenya will field a 4-member team anchored by veteran Eunice Bogwa and debutant Anwar Hamanda, and will be represented in both lawn bowling, singles and pairs.
Tulicheza vizuri pale Birmingham. Hatukwenda kama huu wakati vile tumepangwa pairs na singles. Ilikuwa singles peke yake. Lakini tulicheza singles na hapo nikapata kucheza kwa ligi ya inchi 4. Nilikuwa nafasi ya 11.
Sasa kwa training tuna focus na speed. Kwa juu ya huko green ndio tofauti na hii yenye tunachezea hapa. Huko ni carpet, hapa ni natural grass. So sasa tuna focus na short jacks. Hizo ndio zinasaidia juu kule speed iko mingi.
I can say we have a full team because the disciplines in Glasgow will be two disciplines on each side, the women and the men. So we have pairs and singles for men and women.
Defending champions Fayaz FC kicked off their quest to